Clever cars. 3 foamy snow piles are standing in front of a car wash. Oops! They are moving. Let's wash the foam away to see who is underneath. This is Mimi, a pink convertible. And who is that? Max. He also drove to the car wash to get cleaned. And who is under this foam? Boo the pickup. All clever cars are clean. Let's find matching pictures. Clean cranes. Liquid soaps. Brushes. Hair dryers. Sponges. Dirty cranes. Max, what did you see? Excavators are digging a hole and loading a truck with soil. Here will be a traffic light. The excavator is so dirty. And the rest of the cars, too. Let's wash them. What do we need to wash the cars? Liquid soap. A sponge. A brush. What's hidden in Mimi's cupboard? A hair dryer. A hair dryer can help dry the cars. Come, Mimi. Which cars are on the street? A crane. And boo the pickup. Clever cars count buckets of water. 1, 2, 3. Boo takes the buckets and drives them to the dirty cars. Let's put a drop of liquid soap on the glass. Then wash the excavator with a sponge and a brush. So much foam! Wash the foam off with water. And let's wash the next car. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash the foam off with water. And the last car. Clean! Time to get dry. Let's turn on the hairdryer. Ooh, lovely! Great job, clever cars!